Hello everyone and welcome back to Slime Rancher on Constant Hawk Gaming. My name is Rob and we're going to be opening we're trying to open the lab. So we're going to be selling off some of our plorts. There we go. Maybe all of them. Because we gotta open that up and we gotta get the upgrade. So there we go, and there we go. Now this should give us what we need. We're at 6,472. Now we need... Oh, why are we walking when we can fly? We're down, and even. Okay. There we go. We should be getting up there soon. And let's bring this up. Ooh, we're almost there. Let's... There we go. Time for some more. And let's get them. And got it. We're just selling stuff right now. Yep, there we go. Almost there. There we go. We flew all the way there. And we're gonna be getting what we need. See what I mean for saving? And now we can get the lab. But that's in the morning. Sleep till morning, and then open up the lab. We'll check the food and see how everything is doing. We'll use this to cap out the food if we need it. And then we'll open up the lab. And there we go. We're not gonna get the plorts until the plorts are all full, guys, so now let's go to the lab. Let's buy the lab. You'll unlock the lab, a special ranch expansion that will allow you to create gadgets using slime science. Head over to the Larn to get started. Ooh, hello. Would you look at this? Yeah, I know. I'm just looking around, Mr. Giant Big Star. Time to get crafty. This barn has all the equipment you'll need to begin crafting gadgets. Using slime science, gadgets include useful utilities to aid in exploring, defensive turrets, decorations, and more. Okay. In order to fabricate, you need resources in your refinery. Try shooting a plort into the refinery. But remember, many resources deposited in the refinery cannot be removed. Okay. Once they're in there, they're in there. I built this lab after meeting a slime scientist and learning about the wonders of plort technology. I figured it would be fun to tinker with on rainy days. I only nearly blew myself up 3 times, which is pretty good given my tendency for that sort of thing and my other hobbies. But it soon became a reminder that I have a thirst for adventure, and being cooped up in a barn all day wasn't even going to satisfy my thirst. So I began to set my sights for horizons beyond this ranch. And once I got to thinking on it, further still. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay, I have to go back to get plorts. So we opened up our lab. So let's get all the plorts. All the different colors. Let's get 50 of them. No, let's get like 18 of each. Get 16 of them. Okay. I know, Mr. Big Star Guy, I'm going to get resources. Didn't have any on me, so there we go. So let's go back to the barn, to the lab, and see what we got. I should bring some slimes over here and make a corral. Pink plort, rock plort. Okay, how many pink plorts do you need? Do we keep shooting them in there? In order to fabricate gadgets, okay. The builder's shop allows you to purchase blueprints. A blueprint is required to build any gadgets. Be sure to check the builder's shop for often new blueprints. Okay. Get some in here. Get some in here. Okay. Can we fabricate that now? Utilities. Market Link, a compact port market that allows you to make quick sales. Consult the main port market for price data. We don't have jelly royal. What the heck is going on here? Okay, here we are. Novus pump. Okay, 5. Novus pump. Okay. Now what do we do? Is it making it already? Okay, Novus pump. Okay, we can't even make anything yet. Okay. Okay, yeah, I gotta... Build sites. In gadget mode, you cannot vac or shoot, but you'll have build sites. Okay. To activate. Okay, I don't have any activation. I don't have the rads, the... Looks like we gotta put some of our... you know... happy little residents over here. So, okay. So it looks like we're gonna be going selling and building more corrals for these guys. Okay. Yeah, we gotta explore. That's what we gotta do. And there we go. We got Tabby. We forgot Tabby. We're gonna sell it and we're gonna make more, wait a minute. Phosphorus. We need phosphorus. I thought I had phosphorus already. Okay, phosphorus. Yeah, I don't have that. Okay. Now let's go in science class plans. That covers the basics of slime science. To learn more, check the new slime science section in your Slimepedia. Okay, there we go. Get as many upgrades as we can. There we go. Now we gotta go back to the ranch. I mean to the... to the lab. And start making... you know, corrals. Okay, we want high walls, music box, and let's go for plort collector. Okay. That's starting off right now. Okay, there's a tunnel down here. And where does this lead? Huh. This leads to my... Oh, okay. That leads to my ranch right here. Okay, so you're not gonna be giving me any plorts that I can take. I know I have some in my farm over here. Not my farm, my bank. So there we go, let's get 50 of them. Okay. And let's get $50 of them. And let's see how they're doing. Let's see. Let's get going here. Get these plorts going. Okay. Now that's fun. We need the food dispenser, and I need to get food in there before I put the slimes. Plorts. What do you find? Rad. Okay, auto feeder, air net. Okay, now let's get some food. Why am I always walking when I can fly? Food in here. $50 of these berries. Then I want some of my little guys, like 14 of my little guys right here. And then I want more fruit here. More food. Get 50. There we go. See, it's like... And now let's fly back to the... We can either go either way, but... Start moving some of them into this area. Actually moving them all into this area. Here we go. And then let's automated feeder. Where is it? Where's the feeder? Okay, there it is. It's on this side. Shoot it in there. There we go. Why do I want to do this? So the plorts are close to what I want. Not, yeah, plorts too. Not just for selling, but for, you know, for making gadgets and stuff. Yeah, they're a little bit farther away, but we got a lab now, guys. And I can put more slimes in that one over there, so okay. So now we want another one, another corral, and this one we want for our tabbies. So we need our fluorescent. So we need to upgrade so that food stays in there. And that food stays in there. We need plorts. Let's get some plorts. 8 plorts. 8 plorts. 6 plorts. And then we'll sleep for the night. And then we gotta check that plort. Get some food. Check that plort. Insert our plorts into the refinery. Aha. Okay. I'm just gonna insert a lot of plorts into my refinery. Why? Because it just makes sense. And then we're going to explore a little bit more. Why am I doing it? So I can have resources. I'm a scientist, guys. Actually, science is one of my... Well, I don't practice science, but it's one of my interests. So this is cool. This lab idea here for slime science. There we go. And we can just go right through here if we want. Remember, it's through here, right? Is it through here or... Yep, it is, okay. So we gotta make our next batch. Boop, 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 boop. 50 of them in there. I don't know how many it can hold, but let's see. 68, okay. We don't have gold plorts. A set of 2 teleporters that can be used to create your own quick travel. We need rad plorts. We need honey plorts. exploring, but I need chickens. I need a lot of chickens. It's because of it's that big fat guy in the so I gotta go. Brad plorts. Rock slime will be good. Okay. We need more pink slimes because I need them for the the ranch area. Sorry guys. Ah, now you give me a chicken. Okay. I gotta get a lot of these guys going here. Because I want to... Oh, nope. You're not going anywhere. I don't know what's in there. But let's go down here. Got 22 and 10, okay. Anything here we can build? Nothing. Okay. Okay, we need chickens. Chickens, 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 chickens. Stony hens? No, that's not. See, this is what I mean. This is... I gotta get tabbies too. More tabbies. This is where the tars showed up, remember? There we go. Ooh, what's this? Danger. Well, my health ain't draining, so... And this is a giant door. What in the heck is this? Ooh! It's a slime door. Oof. On the other side. Moss blanket. Okay. We got new ooh, puddle slimes. I need puddle slimes. No, I don't want tabbies. Saw a puddle slime. And they explode. Great. Oh, that's hilarious. But I thought I saw puddle slimes. Or that was just a... Nope, nope, nope. It's right there. There we go, puddle slime. Gotta look for puddle slimes, guys. We have our first puddle slime. And our first boom slime. Okay, now let's go around and getting more slimes. Yes, I'm going for 50 slimes each. Why 50? Because I'm weird. Oh, they can't get out of the water. Okay, this is the moss blanket, guys. Interesting. Remember, I need... What does this say? The moss blanket may seem like an ancient jungle of sorts, but the fact is that much of what you see here wasn't even around when I first begun exploring this land. At this rate, I reckon that it won't be long before the greenery overtakes the far, far range. Okay. Okay. Interesting, interesting. So this is where I'm gonna get my slimes, my slime on. There we go. What's this? Oh, map, okay. It says the moss blanket has the most trees. But I don't see many slimes. I see 50. I only have one puddle slime. Do puddle slimes make plorts, or do they poop? But I gotta get more puddle slimes. Here's a lucky slime. Okay. And put the slime in the... Well, we opened up our first door, guys. Our first ancient door. Well, thank you for that. Okay. Now we go. Which way do we go? More pink slimes. Boom. Okay. Now let's get back to where we were. Okay. Require slime key to open. How do we open? How do we get out of here? Okay. Okay, there's another one right here. Okay. The first time I went exploring the moss blanket, I got stuck here, so I constructed a way out. It's just up yonder. It's just up yonder. Ah. There we go. Here we go. There. Okay, guys. We're just gonna be putting our puddle slime back in our puddle. Can't wait to get that. So every time you see it, this deadly... What is that? Feral slimes. Oh, crap. You're not trying to kill me. No. No. Me alone. Well, I can get more phosphorus slimes here. More pink slimes. Okay, what do magma, boom slimes eat? Briar hen. Well, you're getting chicken. You're getting chicken. Sorry. I need all the special kind of... all the special kind of slime I can get. When I get to the ranch, I'm gonna call it a night. Call it a video, because I got an errand to do. So we'll stop it right here. We got one new slime. I didn't get a puddle slime. Dang it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Rob, and I will see you soon.